Hi, this is part 7 in this series. If you don't like getting pushed around, this is the video for you. Everybody needs to know when and how to stand your ground. Let's go back to the grocery store. You are standing in line with your shopping cart full of goods. As you turn around, someone slips ahead of you with their things. You are annoyed, but you speak with a pleasant voice. Excuse me, but I believe I was ahead of you. Or, I think I am before you. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you. That's okay. And you take your position back. Here are some important keys to remember. Be firm but polite. Don't accuse anyone of being deliberately inconsiderate. Give people a way out. Whether or not the person listens to you, you always win because you stood your ground. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see others like it, press the subscribe button now. Thank you.